that will see you through all the trials that life can offer.
Here's the secret, baby. If you live, if you die, it's all up to you. So whatever fight you got in you, you gotta pull it out now.
You know, they say if you make one friend on your first day, you're doing okay.
Hey. English teacher's the only friend I make today. That would be sort of depressing.
You miss her, don't you?
She was arguably the most gorgeous creature that God had ever created. Margot's like...
Cute. Does he like you as much as you like him?
Now they can manipulate the world.
We've taken over New York, Moscow, Tokyo. This is humanity's last stand. The beginning of the end.
Are we having sex?
Yeah, but not oral.
I wasn't gonna mention oral.
Should we come back when you haven't got any company?
Tim actually, lives here.
Really?
Yeah, but no oral sex, I promise you.
¡Susto Olimpiadas! Una competencia de susto súper intensa.
Puedes morir ahí.
Y vale la pena.
Be aggressive! Passive aggressive!
¡Arriba, Monster!
You push this course and not get psyched out of your mind.
I'm gonna pop some tags. Only got $20 in my
pocket. Are you all right, miss? What did he call you?
Never mind what they call me.
Until this one night.
What the? Margot?
Not as weird as it looks.
Stop.
What was that?
It's a camera flash. There's a job at Google.
Not a job. It's an interview for an internship that could lead to a job.
Welcome to Google.
You'll be auditioning for Juilliard. That's the ceiling. I figured, if you look at it every night, it won't seem so scary when you get there.
You are beautiful, Susie Salmon.
We accept the love we think we deserve.
Me besaste la mano.
Please get a room.
Sorry. Call it Slut and the Falcon.
The men in the family can travel in time. Wow.
¿Ya digo esa grosería o no?
I waited for justice, but justice did not come.
And we're the only ones who can stop them.
Johnny! Batter up!
It's a paper town. Paper houses and paper people. Everything's uglier up close.
Aren't you?